Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming in from the digital studios of Market Club. And overall, the stock market is stalled at the end of a record week. And stocks are swinging between small gains and losses today after figures showed the U.S. economy grew at a strong rate in the first quarter, but there were some weak earnings today on many fronts. But we'll take a look, as we do on Friday, at the S&P 500 on a weekly level. And as you can see, currently trading at 2,929.38, a little bit below the record close earlier in the week. However, our chart analysis scores plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, and the S&P 500 is looking to post a gain of about 0.8% on the week. Our new key level to watch will be 2,873.33. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible sidelines position for the S&P 500. U.S. dollar eking out some gains this week, up about 0.6%, following last week's 0.5% gain. So back-to-back weekly gains with a chart analysis score plus 75, trading at 97.97. And our key level to watch remains 96.74. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the U.S. dollar. Dow Jones actually losing a little bit on the week, down about 0.3% with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall we're still in the long-term uptrend, just coming under some recent daily weakness. Currently trading at 26,471.69. A key level to watch for the Dow will be $26,062.59. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. Nasdaq by far outperforming the other two indexes this week, up 1.4% with a chart analysis score plus 100, giving it its fifth straight week of gains. Key level to watch is bumped up a little bit at 7,891.85. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a possible sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Take a look at crude oil, who had been marching until President Trump again putting pressure on OPEC to raise crude production to ease gasoline prices, which has pushed it down over 3% on the day today, and overall will push it down almost 2% on a weekly level to 62.91 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that overall we're in a long-term uptrend with a green monthly trade triangle. However, we are in a downtrend on a short-term time frame with a red daily trade triangle. Key level to watch will be 65.82. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position on the short-term time frame for crude oil. On the other hand, gold is up almost 1%, about 0.8% on the week, with a new green daily trade triangle trading at 1,288.30. However, it's probably just a short-term blip, whereas overall the long-term trend is still in play with a red monthly and red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch should be 1,275.20. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for gold. And we'll wrap it up by taking a look at Bitcoin, who has failed to break above the 5,600 level as a level of resistance right there. Currently, chart analysis score plus 55, trading at 5,113.76, down about 4% on the week, after posting a little over 5% gain last week. However, by not being able to break above that level, has brought in a new weekly trade triangle level to watch, which will be 4,912. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week to give you some levels to watch.